Buddy, 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 buddy. What time is it? It's garden time. Here we are. Wednesday, April 1st, 2020. And we are going to take a look at what has become of our garden. Today, I think we may do a walk to the back. Kind of a quick peek at everything here. Let's see what's going on back here. Fortunately, dealing with a little bit of transplant shock from where I've parked this Hawaiian chili pepper. A little bit, and I got leaves falling, but I think it's a better spot. With all this new growth, I think you'll do well. I do probably have to trim you a little bit. Goddamn bugs. Okay, but while I am here, well, I do want to look for schmooze. I see a lot of munching going on over here, which usually indicates the presence of a friendly neighborhood worm. Let's see one. It's not a good sign. Got away with murder. But starting from the back here, it looks like we have lily koi growing well. And these are the feeder pots. These are the ones that we used to feed the lily koi before. I mean, our fritillaries before. And these were the plants that are in, it's kind of like, well, they're beyond the starter pots. So at some point I'll consolidate all this into something similar to this, which is our 1, 2, 3, 4 pots of lily koi, which have given us this beautifully trellised wall of greenery. And the reason why we're doing all of this, frankly, is because of a friend named Petey, the caterpillar that once roamed, actually right here, this neck of the woods. It's our hope, hey Pinwheel, it's our hope that one day, without much, well, effort or maintenance, we'll get little Peteys hanging out on our levee. What? Hello? Well now, what do we have here? This is our first successful J-hang in the wild. So, looks like Project Lily Koi is working. Alright, bubbles and other critters, stay away from this little thing that's going to J-hang, crystallize, and hopefully turn into a fritillary. Wow! Yay! Speaking of wow, we have ourselves eggplants in a corner. So this Waimanalo Waimanalo eggplant, they are doing well. I just harvested about 6 of these yesterday, various sizes, letting these 2, 3 grow out a little bit more. And behind us, or behind that, you can see beautiful growth from the Filipino. So kind of scraggly on the edges over there. I consider, again, trimming, pruning, but with about 6 on the vine right now, and about, I'd say 8 or 10 that have been harvested prior. The reports of this guy's demise have been greatly exaggerated, and for both of them, a lot of blossoms and blooms, which means future eggplants on the way. So, eggplant Doing all right. All right. It's all right. What we have here is a seed swap product gone wild. So our avocado tree has now seen significant greenery reappearing in the top of these leaves, which kind of had me concerned for a little bit, but our lack of sun no doubt had a lot to do with that. But this avocado tree in a 5-gallon pot, I'm sure at some point will be transferred to a 10-gallon, and a couple of years from now, well, several, we should see the fruits of this labor. But a very good sign, because all these top leaves were a sickly yellow, kind of veiny brown, but now they're turning into a deeper, richer green, and I think that's good. I hope it's good. Yay, avocado. Last but not least, in the coffin corner, on the edge of the Lilikoi Kingdom, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pots are followed up by the remnants of the old regime. That's our Roma Tomato and the Whopper. On the vine at the moment, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, about 20. Concern, of course, because you can look at the growth here. You got 1, splits to 2, splits to 3. There's really only one well-fed stem, and those guys in the back over there, well, it's starting to look a little scraggly. So, I don't know. We'll see. On the other hand, quality superseding quantity. These Whoppers, I gotta adjust that little pinwheel. They look great. Similar situation. 2 leads to 3, leads to 4 growth points. But at this point, I've got all 4 growth points being healthily fed, and the Whopper has some great growth in there. So you seem to have a longer lease in life in this 5-gallon pot, and as long as you keep getting nutrients up to these boys, you'll be alright. You cause for concern primarily on segments like this, but well, I can't see that, excuse me. Cause for concern primarily on this area, but we'll see. We'll do the best we can. That is totally drying up. Anyways, but we're left for dead. Still going strong. Gotta move that pinwheel though.